Never have I ever been turned down.
Don't touch that. No. Hey guys, this is Harshila. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special guest with us, my brother. You guys seem to really like him, and you guys also ask me all the time to bring him on the channel and just like make more videos with him. So I thought, I should just like listen to you guys and do that. So today we are going to be doing Never Have I Ever. He actually suggested that we should do whisper challenge, but I thought, you know what, we should just stick to like Never Have I Ever. So do you want to explain them, what the video is about and everything? Also, I'm like just drinking my chai, so don't mind. You can also drink yours. So, tell them.
So we have prepared a set of questions, and it basically goes like never have I ever fallen in love, and then we just say I have or I haven't. So
Yeah, that's basically how it works. Just there's a question and then I'll say if I have or I haven't, and he'll say if he has or he hasn't, and yeah, that's about it. So are you ready? Also, we have prepared our questions in the same phone, so don't mind. But yeah.
Never have I ever lost my shoe during a night out.
No, I have never.
Me neither.
Because I have not been to a lot of night outs. Mom and dad, if you're watching, if you would have let me on those night outs right now, I would have had like some really crazy story to tell, but I don't. Yeah. Never have I ever had a cavity.
I have cavities. I have one right now.
You have a lot of them. I have never had one.
No, I only have like
3?
no.
Out of 4?
No, right now I have one, and the other one was pretty bad.
I have like really good teeth, like oral health. Like even when I was going to get a treatment, my doctor told me, like my dentist told me that I have pretty good teeth, and yeah, I was like low-key extremely proud of myself and my brushing habits and all that. So yeah, you should also brush.
My friend is a dentist and she says that I have good teeth.
Then why do you have? I think because you eat a lot of sweets. Cavities are usually because of that.
Never have I had braces.
Yeah, you guys must have watched my video wherein I spoke about my braces journey and just like the Q&A that I did.
I don't have braces, but
do you want to?
I think I'll need braces.
You just have one teeth. You know what, like when I had braces, he used to like literally nag me so much every now and then, asking me if he should get braces for that one teeth, and I had like literally terrible teeth, so I'm very happy with what I have now. But also, you know what, when my braces came off, Samat was that person to tell me that how I don't look good, and then I suddenly started feeling like, oh my god, 2 years of that treatment, and then after the treatment he's like, oh, I don't like your teeth, and I'm like, so yeah. Never have I ever fallen in love at first sight.
I haven't. Like, I don't know if that exists.
I mean, see, I do say, okay, this is very confusing. I do say that, I have, but I also feel like love is something that grows with time. Like, you can never be like, oh, I love this person, right when you see them. It is a process and takes a lot of time. Like, the love that you'll have at your 50 will be a lot different than what you have at your 25. So, with the same person, I'm saying. So, I would say, I mean, I do want to say I have also, and I want to say I haven't also, but
what is it then?
I would say, okay, maybe that, yeah, I haven't. Yeah.
So yeah, I haven't either. I don't fall in love until I talk to the person. So
how many times have you fallen in love? Huh?
I don't know. That's not the question. Never have I ever had a broken heart.
Oh, my heart. I have.
Yeah, I guess everyone has.
For your age. For your age, I don't know. For my age, it's still fine.
I'm 20. I'll be 21.
Yeah, can you
Soon.
be like the other day only I was talking to my mom and I was like time is just flying, like someone's going to be 21. That's how we remember the year, because right now it's 2020 and he's 20. Then it will be 21, he'll be 21. It's pretty cool. Never have I ever had a surgery.
I haven't.
I have. This is considered,
Yes,
yeah.
that is considered.
I got my tonsils removed when I was in 5th standard, and I think that's the best.
Seriously?
Yeah, I was in 5th.
I was in first.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I was in 5th, I remember. I was in 5th for sure.
I was in senior KG then.
Yeah, you were like, you must be really young, I don't know. But I got my tonsils removed then, and the best part was that I only had
She got to eat a lot of ice cream
yeah.
afterwards.
Yeah.
And never have I ever cried at a party.
Party? Oh, I have.
I haven't.
Oh, you remember? You know what I'm talking about. Last year there was this one party that I had been to, and I met Shivani, and I even like posted that vlog. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. And I cried because I met her, and I don't know what happened, and yeah, I just started crying because I just started feeling so overwhelmed. So yeah, that is something that happened, and I also do cry a lot, so it wasn't like a big deal, but yeah, I did cry. Okay, this is a fun one. Never have I ever met a celebrity.
I mean, I live with one, so
Oh my god, did you just...
I don't
I
care. I don't care. Okay, they are a celebrity and I like them. I'm a fan, but
Yeah, but you wouldn't really want to like...
hmm,
You wouldn't go like...
go all the way out and just to meet them and get a picture
or
So,
something like that. I guess I have. I've met a lot of them because you know when you go for like all these events and stuff,
mhm.
you get to meet a lot of people. So yeah, I have met a couple of celebrities. Never have I ever looked up my partner's ex on social media.
I don't have a partner.
Okay, so let's say your love interests.
Yes, I have.
Yeah.
Like, I usually don't find them, like,
Yeah.
because some of the accounts are personal, like private
Yeah.
and stuff. So yeah, bad luck.
Okay, like you know what? Actually, I've never really looked up anyone except for this one person. So yeah, like I would say, I'm not that kind, but for some time I had become that kind. So I would say yeah.
Never have I ever gotten in a physical fight.
What, like as kids?
I don't know.
As kids, तो I have मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा, and you have also.
Yeah, we used to fight a lot.
Lot.
Like,
And even
with each other as well.
also.
And
Someone used to like freaking beat me up. Like he was a very like right now what you see, and everybody, okay, in my entire family, everyone loves him. Not like now, and everyone is like, oh, Samad's so nice, Samad is like quiet, shy, this, that, all that, great. Growing up, you should have seen him. Oh my god, he was like a terror.
never have I ever given someone a fake phone number.
No, I haven't.
Seriously? So like you just reject the phone number, or do you say
I just say that yeah, like I'm not
you can have my
comfortable.
Instagram? No?
No. If I'm talking to the person on Instagram, I would just say that, oh, I'm more active on Instagram than what I am on WhatsApp.
Yeah, nobody asked for my phone number.
Why are you picking such sad questions? Never have I ever cried at work.
Which work? I don't work.
You know, whatever, like
No.
homework. Work as an act as my PA.
I haven't cried yet.
Yeah, because I'm a good boss. No. I think I have. So I was working with this digital media firm, as you guys must be knowing. Not going to reveal the name. So at my work, there was just a lot of office politics, and it wasn't like I was not doing good at my work, like what I was supposed to do. I was doing that, but just the politics. Oh my god, I just couldn't deal. And this one time, I was crying in the washroom, and that's when, you know, I decided that, oh, that was like the third signal that, you know, I was like, oh my god, I'm not meant for this. Like, the whole office thing, the 9 to 5 thing. I'm not meant for it. So I think within a week I just put down my papers, and this is what I do now. So yeah.
Cry at work, guys.
Yeah, suddenly you'll have this realization as to what you want to do in life. Never have I ever been the subject of a rumor that wasn't true.
You have always been subject of some rumor.
Yeah, na? Oh my god, even growing up especially, like so many rumors, man, so many rumors, and most of them weren't true at all. So yeah, I have.
I don't know. My rumors never came true.
Yeah, I think your sources weren't that strong, and mine were like, oh, this person said this about you, and I'm like, what? I don't even know that person.
Never have I ever been turned down.
I have.
Yeah, people reject.
People reject people like us all the time. Never have I ever left a mean YouTube comment.
I do.
Yeah. Bro, like, I have never, okay? I'll tell you the other day what happened. So I was going through something on Instagram, and I told Sama that, oh, why have they, and it was some meme page, okay, not even like some proper content creators thing, and I told him that, oh, why is this like, why do people do this, and this doesn't make any sense. And someone's like, oh, leave a comment then. And I said, saying what? And he's like, oh, say that you don't like it. And I said, but who does that? And he's like, I do. And I said, what do you mean? And he's like, oh, I do all the time. I go on YouTube and I tell them that, this is not right, that is not right, and you should be doing this. And I said, are you serious?
No, I don't say that you should be doing this. I just say I don't like today's video or whatever.
Yeah. And I was like, I never knew that my brother is like I don't care at all, like, honestly, because not just like now that I'm a content creator and I know how it's to be on the other side. ऐसा नहीं है, पहले से ही I've always been like that, where I've not cared. I've been like, okay, ठीक है. He is so like far away from the whole content creation, okay, and still is like, I don't know. I was just like really surprised when you said that you leave like such comments. Like,
It's not
like mean as in like I'm not saying that.
Mean. It's just something like constructive or something that I expect from them. So I don't think it's mean.
Yeah, something.
It's not mean.
I know. Never have I ever auditioned for a reality show.
I haven't. I guess you have.
I haven't, but I've gotten like couple of
Like a roadie, Splitsvilla and
Splitsvilla. Oh
what
my
is
God.
that?
Okay.
Tower, what is that? Lift something.
No. Splitsvilla, na, I've been getting it since 2016. So it's been 4 years, and every year I'll get a mail from them. I'll get a proper DM from them saying that I should come and audition and stuff. And yeah, that's just not my vibe. Like, what happened is I showed it to my dad. I remember the very first year I got that, because they're like, oh my god, they're like calling me and like asking me to audition and stuff. And I showed it to my dad, and my dad watched it like maybe just for like 5 minutes, or not even 5, like just 2 minutes into it. And my dad's like, you won't survive there. And I said, well, why do you say that? And my dad's like, no, you're not meant for it, because these guys are like abusing, and like, I know it's like scripted, but you know what I'm trying to say, it's just like very out there, and my dad's like, no, you won't be able to do that. And somewhere I also felt like that's not me and I can't do it, so yeah, I dropped the idea.
Never have I ever snuck into a movie.
I haven't.
I have. So like.
Did you not pay for it?
No, it was like usually at movies we enter from the front door and exit from the back. So one time there was some construction going on, and me and my friends, we were there. So at the back door there was some construction, so they exited us from the front door. So from the front door we went to the washroom, and then we went to like the other screen.
Yeah. No, I haven't done that. So like you paid for like one movie but got to watch like
half of it.
So those are all the questions. I really hope you guys liked this video and found it interesting, and hopefully now you guys know us a little bit more. I think you guys know me pretty well. I hope you guys know Samarth a little bit more now. Also, let me know if you guys want us to do like a proper dating never have I ever. I think that would be really fun. Even the Samarth's dating life is pretty blah, but yeah, you can slide into his DMs, like how he's sliding away. But yeah,
No.
if you like this video, then make sure you like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like, it would mean the world to me, so please go ahead and do that. And that being said, I'll see you next time. I'm really trying very hard to post every single day, so please make sure you come tomorrow. Bye. Say bye.